Hello and welcome to Euphoria. This video is one of a series about small builds for my Lego city. Some of these are my own design and some of them are designs I've seen elsewhere. But they're all small builds that I've found useful in various ways in my Lego city. This video is about how to build a vending machine for selling chocolate bars, drinks, cans and so on. I've seen various designs for these, including the rather nice one in the Creator 3-in-1 noodle shop set from 2022. But this one is my own design that became part of the build for the large research centre building that I call the Ensgrave building, where the vending machine can be found in the guest lounge area on the ground floor. First, we'll have a quick look at the parts that I used for this build. As you can see, it uses parts that are fairly readily available. They're mostly plain bricks, plates and tiles, and 3 panels, including a transparent one for the front and one of these small panels with 3 sides. You can see that I've chosen a 1x1 printed tile with a calculator pattern for the selection panel, but there are probably other printed tiles that could be suitable. The round bricks represent drinks cans, and I've chosen red and yellow ones, but you could have different colours or different shapes. And of course you could choose different colours for the vending machine itself. I've chosen red so it stands out in the room it's going to go in. So I'll quickly run through the build. It's pretty straightforward. The base of the machine is made out of all the grey pieces in this case, and I've given the machine 2 black feet to stand on. The black panel forms the back of the machine and also provides space inside for the contents. The sides are just made of ordinary bricks with a washing machine or headlight brick at the front. And it's a good idea to make sure that that's fitted in squarely. The little 1x1 printed tile provides the selection panel for the front of the machine. And then we're just about ready to decide on the contents. The round bricks that I'm using here for the contents just drop into the space between the panels, and they're not actually connected to anything. That does mean they can rattle around a little. If that bothers you, then it's easy to put a 1x1 round plate in between the bricks, and that makes the 2 just the same height as the internal space of the panels. So putting the transparent panel on the front completes this pretty straightforward construction. Now it's also possible to put the contents in a different way round, and for this size of machine you can just get 3 of these round bricks in sideways. If you do want to put them in sideways, there's just enough room to fit a cap onto those bricks using a 1x1 round tile. The 3 cans with tops fit nicely into the space inside the machine, but again, as they're not connected to anything, they do have a tendency to move around. So personally, I prefer the option with the 4 cans stacked vertically. So now the vending machine with its contents is ready to go back into position in the guest lounge area of my building. Of course, you could always place one outside in the same way that Lego did with the one in the noodle shop. I like adding small builds like this to my Lego city. I think they add character and detail to the city and provide little points of interest. Let me know what you think, and if you have any favourite small builds for a Lego city, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you back again very soon.